If you're wondering how to use LearnWorlds, this quick tutorial will walk you through the essential features so you can get started right away. Stay tuned to the end, because I'll also show you some alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. Let's jump right into it. First off, LearnWorlds is a platform designed for creating and selling online courses. It has a lot of features, but there's a learning curve. If you're looking to create a professional course, this is a solid option. But is it the best? Let's see. Next thing, let's talk about setting up your course. LearnWorlds offers a simple drag-and-drop builder. You can add text, videos, quizzes, and even certificates. But while it's easy to get started, there are limitations when it comes to customizing the look and feel of your course. If you're looking for more design freedom, this could feel a bit restricting. Moving on, let's cover LearnWorlds features for engagement. They offer interactive videos, which is a big selling point. You can add questions, calls to action, and more within the videos. But as great as this sounds, the interface can be a bit clunky, and you might run into performance issues with larger video files. Now, let's talk about pricing. LearnWorlds has a few plans, but they're on the pricier side compared to some alternatives. If you're starting out, you might find the entry-level plans lack some key features that you need for a fully polished course experience. While the more premium plans offer great tools, they might not be worth it unless you're seriously investing in building a large course library. The next thing to consider is the marketing tools. LearnWorlds has built-in email marketing, affiliate management, and integrations with other platforms. This is useful, but again, the options are limited compared to other software. For example, if you're into heavy email automation or more complex sales funnels, you might find yourself wishing for more flexibility. As for integrations, LearnWorlds connects with major tools like Zoom, Zapier, and Stripe, but it lacks a few niche integrations that some of its competitors offer. So, if you rely on a specific tool or service, be sure to check compatibility before committing. The fourth thing is customer support. While LearnWorlds offers 24/7 support, it's not the fastest. Some users have reported long response times, especially during peak hours. For a platform that's focused on course creation, quick support is a must, and this is one area where LearnWorlds could improve. At this point, you might be thinking, should I commit to LearnWorlds? It's solid, but there are alternatives that might work better depending on your needs. I'll tell you about one at the end of this video, but first, here's a tip. LearnWorlds offers an exclusive free trial, which gives you access to all the premium features, but you'll also be able to test out some of the alternatives I'm about to mention. Now, let's wrap up. LearnWorlds is a good option for course creation, but it's not perfect. If you want something that offers more flexibility, better customization, or a more intuitive user experience, I've got some great alternatives for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available for LearnWorlds, plus you'll gain access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. But before you dive in, check out the alternatives I've mentioned. They might just be a better fit for the goals you have in mind, and they also come with a free trial,